Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on a Mac. To do that, just hold on Command-Shift-5. Then here you get these options, and to record screen, select either record entire screen or record selected portion. Then you can change, of course, the portion. I'm gonna select record entire screen. You can also adjust options like where to save the screen recording. The timer can be set for 5 or 10 seconds or none. You can change the microphone if you want to record sound with the screen recording. Then you can enable also these options. And then when you're done, either click on record or click anywhere on the screen to start recording. And after like 3 to 4 seconds it will start recording. If you of course have a timer, then after more seconds. To stop, either click here or click on Command-Shift-5 again and then click on stop recording, or if you have a touch bar you can stop the recording from the touch bar. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.